Talk to you about vertebrogenic pain. Now, this is a relatively new term. As we talked about, we talk a lot about this. We're finding out that understanding about vertebrogenic pain is a paradigm shift in the science of low back pain. While the disc, again, has historically been accepted as a common source of low back pain, research confirmed that the vertebral endplates, and if you look at the diagram, here's a picture of a disc with the vertebrae up top, vertebrae below, and the disc in between. The end plate is the interface between the disc and the vertebrae. So we found out that these end plates, as they become injured through degeneration or trauma, that inflammation could get set in, and this chronic inflammation could lead to what's called Modic changes, coined by Dr. Michael Modic in the 80s.